Guys, look what I have here. It's a big old package. That's what she said. That's what he said. We don't discriminate in this channel, guys. Okay, so all jokes aside. All jokes aside, guys. I got a package from Fallen Footwear. No, I'm not a skater. I'm a bad bitch. I'm a sad bitch, actually. So all jokes aside, guys, I am going to be opening up this package. I'm so excited. I did review the first collection from a year ago. The first collab that the House of Mask had with Fallen. It's such a good... there are such cool shoes. I think this is like the Patriot. I'm not good with scientific terms, but I did get the first line when the shoes came out a year ago. The packaging is so fucking cool. Like, look at that. Look at that. Would you look at that? Would you look at it? The House Mask with Fallen. Bitch, this is so cool. This is so cool. Oh my gosh. As you can see, I am a big House of Mask fan. Have been since his like intro looked like the Warner Bros introduction, since he was wearing the red angel mask. I've been a House of Mask fan since I've been 16. I'm 25 now, so almost for 10 years. Oh my god, that is so fucking long, bitch. That's so fucking long. Oh, how they grow so fast. That's the same way how I feel like seeing his channel. And because of you and other mask YouTubers, I finally did get the boost to do my own collection. And yeah, it's not as big as yours. It's not as big as I wish it could be, but honestly, it could be the tism, but I feel like you definitely gave us the bug, the itch to collect masks. And I just want to say thank you for all that you do. Thank you for posting almost every single day. I hope your arm gets better. And thank you for all that you do. Your videos have always been an escape for me since ever I was 16. And I know I've already said this like 3,000 times to you, but like I swear I just want to say thank you vocally, and probably like many other people wanted to give you that thanks, but thank you. I hope you keep on doing what you do. And now that I can stop doing the freaking wholesome content, we're gonna open this up. All right. If I were to say everything, we'd be here for fucking hours. Okay, now we're gonna take this non-tijeras because I do not have an X-Acto. Always towards yourself. I learned that from somebody. Let's open it. Can I just say, I ordered this shit like literally 2 days ago. I literally ordered this 2 fucking days ago. Fallen said, I'm fast as fuck, boy. Like, I just got these today. I think I ordered these 2 or 3 days ago. I think I said I got it 2 days ago. But yeah, Fallen, you are fast as fuck, boy. Okay, I'm so excited to see the new box. Are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? Ready? Oh my gosh, I am so hyper. I'm like so fucking excited for this. Bruh, and whenever he says, your mask collector's favorite mask collector, bitch, I am one of them. Alright. Holy oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I am so fucking nervous. I am shitting myself. I am shitting with the Riz. What is this? It's a pack and slip. I don't think you. I don't even know how much I spent on this. Are we? Oh my gosh, guys! I'm so ready. I'm so excited. And this time I ordered more than one thing. I'm so excited. Did I say I'm so excited? I'm excited. Okay, enough of me fucking yapping. Which one should we do? Small to biggest? We don't discriminate in this channel, guys. We like both sizes. Okay, so excited. Oh shit, boy. Oh shit. Okay, you guys get the first look. What could this be? Bro. Oh my goodness, bro, it's official. Your boys made it. AJ, whenever you get to 1 million, AJ, whenever you get to 1 million subscribers, whenever you're like famous, more famous than you are right now, whenever you got like Elon Musk money, remember us, please. Remember us. Don't you dare fucking forget us. No kidding. Okay, let's open her up. All right, let's see. Let's see. Oh my, oh shit. 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 Oh. Shit, boy, this tight, son. Oh shit, dog. Fuck, dude. Fuck. I don't know how you guys say that. So I did order the shirt that they collab with as well. It says the House of Mass Fallen. Boy, you made it. Boy, you made it. Whenever you're collabing with a big brand like this, shit, dog. Shit. I got that drip. I got it in a size small, but since it's for dudes, this is gonna fit me like a fucking dress, dude. Would you believe that? But yes, we got the design in the front. Boy, the design in the fucking back. Whoever designed it, whoever designed the back, I'm so excited. This is the front. Wait, hold on. Let me compare it to my itty bitty tiny self. This is the front, right? The back, bitch. The back. The back. Oh my gosh, you guys are not ready for the back. You know how many fucking shirts I have from this guy? Bruh, that shit. Fuck, dude. Fuck. Would you look at that? I am literally making him cringe right now. I'm cringing myself, but like, I have no words. I can't even speak. The design, fire. I'm gonna add this to the collection of shirts that I have from the House of Mask. This is so cool. I did see a sticker, the Casa of Mask. I would like that. Just saying. Bro, this shirt is so fucking sick. I don't know the material of this, but this feels like the good material. This feels like the Gucci material. Slay King, slay. So this is the back, but trust me, I'm gonna be wearing it like in the front as well. The front design really cool. Let's look at the tag. It's official when you see the tag. And the shirt does go for, it does not say, but I will put the price on here. Okay, go get yourself a shirt. It's so cool. Fallen, you treat your customers right. AJ, you always do it right. Thank you. This was fast. I'm amazed. Oh my gosh, I feel like however I react with like cringe. I need to stop. Like, oh my gosh, I cannot stop yapping. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Do you guys see that? Should I open my eyes? Let me show you guys all the freaking looks. Oh shit. Okay, I'm gonna open my eyes. Boy, it's your boy. Bruh. Look at that. Oh, this is so fucking cool. This one's orange and this one's white. The box is all orange, which is amazing for spooky season. And the model is FMU1ZA01 Patriot. Color the House of Mask black/orange. It is a size 7 because I did do my measurements, if I'm correctly. So usually I'm a women's 8.5, but for some reason, a 7 from Fallen fits me perfectly. I believe because it's mainly men's sizes. Don't hold me onto that, but I'm just giving a reference. If you're a girl, if you're 8.5 for Fallen shoes, a size 7 is really good. Because I don't think it's like women, men. It just says size American 7 or 7 American. Sorry, size 7 American shoe size. But yeah, just giving you a heads up, girlies. If you know your shoe size, I would say go for the men's size that you are. Open. Ah shit. As always, if you order some Fallen shoes, you'll get a sticker. I'm excited I can put this on my desk. Shit, even the wallpaper is falling. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh wait, you guys can't even see it. Would you look at that? Oh my god, these are fucking nice. Okay, let me see if I can show you guys like this. Can you even see the inside of the shoe? Even the tag says Fallen. Of course, it's Fallen shoes. This is like a leather pleather. I really like the orange stitching. This is very Halloween pumpkin vibes. Halloween. Oh shit. Bro, these are nice. And the logo on the back. The stitching, fire. The back, nice. These are the inside of the shoes. I don't want to crease them, but he's in there. He's gonna be in your steppers. You're gonna be stepping on him. He's gonna be on your steppers. Look at that. That is so cool. Even the inside is like that. So cool. It comes with another Fallen sticker, but that's the design. Here are the orange shoelaces. Can't wait to wear these whenever I do leave the house. These are so cool. Oh, wait, I didn't even notice that. I mean, obviously they had them, but they have black shoelaces, so you can change them from black to orange. That is a nice touch. I literally want to wear one orange and one black. To the people with the OCD, I'm so sorry. I don't remember the price of the shoes. Like I said, I immediately got these the minute I saw that they were out. If you're a big House of Mask fan, if you're a Fallen fan, if you like Fallen shoes, please get yourself a pair. These are highly worth it. So I put on the orange laces. This is how it looks. I think it looks fucking sick. I'm so excited. I'm not like other girls, so I put in 2 different shoelaces. I think they're gonna look cool as fuck. These fit really nice. Imagine, let's pretend like I'm at Payless and my mom is making me model walk to be like if they fit. Oops. Yes, mom, they fit. Let me run test. They fit really good. Look at me, y'all dripped out. What up, hoes? What up, hoes? Where the hoes at? Where the dog? Every princess gets her shoes. Oh, it fits really nice. I love how it covers my arms, and this is the back. Cute. My overall review of the House of Mask collab with Fallen Part 2 is that it's 10 out of 10. The quality of the shoes are amazing. The design is amazing. The brand's amazing. The person that they collab with is amazing. Overall, 10 out of 10. I literally do have flat feet, like tortas, like fucking Subway sandwiches but squished, and these are really nice on my feet. But yeah, if you guys love Fallen, love the House of Mask, love comfort shoes, I highly suggest getting a pair, and I highly suggest you getting a shirt. The drip is crazy. It's going hard. And yeah, thank you so much for watching my channel. If you have not subscribed yet, subscribe. If you like the video, please give it a like. But thank you so much, and see you until the next video.